If you want a budget-friendly electric standing desk that still feels clean, sturdy, and practical for daily work, the EN1 One-Piece Standing Desk, 48 inches by 24 inches, is one of the best value picks in its category. Right away, the standout feature is the one-piece seamless desktop. Unlike cheaper desks with split tops, this gives you a cleaner look and better stability, especially useful if you're running a multi-monitor setup. The electric height adjustment is smooth and quiet, under tilde 50 dB, letting you switch between sitting and standing easily without interrupting your workflow. It typically ranges from around 28.9 inch to 46.5, which suits most users. You also get memory presets, usually up to 4, so you can save your preferred heights and switch instantly. Small feature, but very useful for daily productivity. In terms of build, the steel frame plus with top offers solid support, around 150 plus pounds capacity, making it reliable for monitors, laptops, and accessories without noticeable strain. What makes it a good choice? Clean 48 inch by 24 inch size fits most rooms without taking too much space. Stable one-piece desktop, better than split designs. Quiet motor and smooth lifting. Good for home office plus dual monitor setups. Affordable compared to premium standing desks. Real-world use. This desk is best for remote work, study setups, and everyday productivity. It's especially good if you want ergonomic benefits without spending a lot. That said, it's still a budget model. At maximum height, there can be slight wobble, and the desktop material is usually engineered wood rather than premium solid wood. Bottom line. The EN1 Standing Desk hits the sweet spot between price, functionality, and simplicity. It's not the most premium desk out there, but for most people, it delivers exactly what you need: a reliable, smooth, and ergonomic workspace upgrade. Click the link below for the best price.